Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to revert the latest version of Windows 11 update. So if you actually made this update and you want to revert it because it causes some problems and issues on your laptop or Windows PC, I'm going to show you how to revert this update. So first, you need to click on the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app I see from here. And now you need to go to the Updates section. So click on Windows Update from here, or you can actually click from here. So after that, you need to go to Update History. Now you can actually go to Other Updates from here. So now you can click on Uninstall Updates I'll see from here. And you'll find all the updates from here. So I'll see from here, if you updated this version I'll see from here, you can just click on Uninstall and you can uninstall the update. So that's it. That's actually how we revert the Windows 11 update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.